Hello, everyone. I'm going to take the next few minutes to walk you through the interactive growth charts, sometimes referred to as the progress reports. This is a feature that's specific to the long-term assignment. So students who are receiving supplemental or intensive intervention should be assigned a long-term assignment for a duration of 10 weeks. And so this is another reporting feature that is a great resource for school teams when reviewing data and determining whether or not students are responding to the intervention. As always, we should monitor the fidelity of all interventions to ensure that our students experience the optimal learning environment. So school teams could look at this or should look at this report in combination with the formal progress monitoring that's required by the district. For supplemental, this means that you're progress monitoring biweekly, every other week. And for intensive, you would be progress monitoring weekly. So this is not, this report right here that you see is an additional data feature. This is not replacing the formal progress monitoring. So this report can be looked at in combination with the progress monitoring. And also we encourage teams to look at multiple data points as part of their core assessments, because we always want to make sure that the students' newly gained knowledge is transferring over into the classroom. All right, so let's just take a minute or so to walk you through what we're seeing here. This particular student is in 4th grade. At the very top, you can see the assigned standard code or cluster name, which in this case is angle measurement and rotation. You can also see the status of where the student is in this long-term assignment. For this particular student, you'll see a green rectangular box and it says goal reached. All right, some of the other status indicators are not started, in progress, assignment stopped, goal not reached, and completed all available. The definitions of each of these descriptors is provided in the article that's linked in the Canvas course. So if you would like to do further reading about those, you can, but it just gives you a quick glimpse of where the student is in their long-term assignment. All right, so if you look below there, you can see who the assignment was created by, the total amount of time spent on the assignment so far, the total number of lessons completed, as well as the progress made. All right, if you look at the graph, you'll see that the graph gives you a nice illustration of the student's growth over time. All right, so the graph compares a student's progress, which is that trend line, the dark blue line, with the trajectory needed to become proficient in the assigned cluster over the assigned duration, which is that aim line. In intervention case, this would be 10 weeks. So that would be the duration. All right. You can also see the weekly time spent on the assignment. If you look at the very bottom, you'll see week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. It gives you the weekly time spent on the assignment and the number of lessons completed in the assignment below each of these weeks on the baseline here. So at a glance, you can quickly see if the student is on track to meet their assignment goals, right? If they're falling below the aim line, you can access the assigned lessons that a student worked on each week by scrolling down below the graph. Down here, you'll see these blue hyperlinks that say play lesson. You'll also see to the left if the lessons have been completed with demonstrated understanding or completed without demonstrated understanding. You can also see how long a student spent on each lesson. If a student is falling below the aim line and they have multiple paused lessons, multiple lessons completed without demonstrated understanding, or if they are spending a long time on each lesson, the teacher can provide real-time intervention by clicking on that play lesson button. That's a hyperlink that will take you directly to that exact lesson that the student is seeing. they are able to display that right in front of the student, with the student, and provide real-time intervention. All right, so I hope this video has helped you understand and learn about the information available in the interactive growth charts. Thank you very much.